Well, one thing more I want to tell you people. There is referral section for the respective teachers of that participating pair. If they doubt on some of the part or even points given for any wrong ways, then they can use this referral system to rule out any wrong decision if any. There are two referrals we as professors would take for you people. But though you students don't have any power over those referrals, only teachers are allowed to take it. So this way there is other layer which is guiding you people behind the scenes. And this point is very necessary as we would use these to normalize your panic times, the rush of blood at times. These things are so helpful to get you people back on track. This way we teachers are forming our strategy to manage your workloads and your minds from difficult situations. Yes, Madhuri, I suppose your query is resolved. Yes, sir, quite comfortably. I am at peace now. Think about all upcoming preparations. So, yes, determined now I am. Yes, Madhuri. Good. It is what is expected from you all. I would also suggest you work as a bond between our all pairs. You shall mediate between them. You have attacking aggressive partners with you both. So you can manage your workload by playing second fiddle to your partners, as it needs coolest heads to absorb all those precious situations. Try one thing always. No matter what, you people under SCCS team shall remain together for our unit benefit. Yes, there will be differences. Differences in opinions, differences in attitudes, differences in moods, differences in thought processes. But nothing would replace that with unity of yours. You people have to remain united, though after all these differences. This way, you would rule out any manual mistakes from all of us. Okay, then, if more queries are there, then please ask them. I would love to resolve them. No? No, Madhuri? Srinivas, you? No queries? Okay, then, you are now free to go. We'll see you at extra classes. Thank you. Are Madhuri, can we discuss something about Master Squeeze? Yes, Srinivas, please go ahead. It will be the fun to have a chat with you. Well, nothing more, Madhuri. I guess Shripad sir have explained exact things for us. The basic mindset and our all pairs under ACCS. So wanted to ask how we shall go when it comes to handling our rest all pairs. As sir told, there are a lot of issues within everyone considering mutual rivalries, attitudes, mindsets, moods and all. You know these people from long time, Madhuri. So can you give some advice about how to go about it? What special we need to do? Well, Srinivas, good that you have opened your mind early. Yes, we both need clarity on it between us. See, as I visualize this, an official meeting would be conducted by all teachers for Master Quiz, and Supriyo sir would take that lecture to give us broader look towards what Master Quiz is. So this way, everyone would get their doubts cleared. And then after clearing the giant elephant of broader aspects, what is left is inside details to go with. For our roles, I guess Shripad sir would officially announce our mid-level duties within all our pairs. So don't worry on that part. Once each of them would come to know that we both are heading some duties for them, then they are sensible enough to respond it in positive ways. But yes, Shripad sir did very right thing to call us both to meet them separately. As you have come to know about the exact issue, Srinivas, and that is how to handle Ravi and Ekta at crunch moments, as they may lose their cool in those situations. Like for example, Ravi lost his wicket at the final against the run of play, that too unnecessarily. You have seen that, Srinivas. On the other occasion, same at last year's finals of Master Squeeze, they both came from bigger trail of 32 to 43 to reach 42 to 44 to give tough competition to 15 class students, but lost eventually in 45 to 47 with close margin. So the issue is we need to take care of them when it comes to knockout stages, as they tend to panic in those situations. One thing is for sure, Srinivas, that we both have to simply stand with them at league stages. Because the way I know, both Ravi and Ekta are the champions of league stages. They would win it for us single-handedly, Srinivas. So the way I know, at league stages, we need to simply stand with them. Rest all they would do single-handedly. We just need to keep tab on any loose ends, if any. Then, once we head towards knockout stages, then our actual work starts, as we both would remain fresh than those two. So mentally we would remain just at right frame to think at level-headed position. Our work starts there itself to run from the front. As even you would observe that both Ravi and Ekta would start to lose their peace of mind. That is where we need to step in. We need to do bulk of the job, and they shall be kept just for the improvisations or for any risky propositions. At that stage, we shall do all major part, including all Gada Majduri, as they both would do that at league stages for us. And then we need to step in that work for them at knockout stages. This way they would get time to think on fresh grounds, to recollect their rejuvenated thought process back again, Srinivas. This way we would keep them away from all unnecessary negative thinking that Shripad sir told us. His observations were up to the mark when it comes to Ravi and Ekta. Whatever he told about them is a reality. Even I saw that over the years. If their peace of mind is intact for whole master squeeze period, then Srinivas, it can happen that we can simply stand with them and they would do everything if they are on revenge saga or something. If this happens, then we would remain just as puppets only, as they both would do everything on their own. So we don't have to interfere in it. I'm not exaggerating, Srinivas. It is a reality. If both of them would decide as per their egos to win the title this year, they can win it on their own. Then this pairs and partners wala concept won't even exist for them in that situation, Srinivas. I know them from years, and if they play around their egos, then nobody can stand in front of them. That is the positive side of their egos. Very well analyzed, Madhuri. You put it all in exact words. Even I realized this quality of theirs at the time of practice games. Ravi took all burden of batting on his shoulders and did what he wanted to, and came up with flying colors every time. Rightly said, Srinivas. So you have got the taste of this rare quality of theirs. Yes, Ekta is same like that only. So Srinivas, what we need to do? We need to keep it very very simple. Firstly, we don't have to come in between their egos. We shall allow them to what they wanted to do. Ravi is my partner and Ekta is yours. So as Shripad sir said rightly, we have to play as second fiddle at it and shall not bring our egos in between. Please remember this, Srinivas. Don't bring your ego in between Ekta's work. Otherwise, she won't consider your partnership and she would carry everything on her own. Same case is of Ravi. So we need to keep this first point in mind. Second, after the quiz or at the mid time, we need to have a chat with them. If they are feeling any low or something, if they confessed it genuinely, then only we need to step in with our aggressive qualities. But remember, only if they allow us. Otherwise, no. One big no, Srinivas. And I am sure this situation would arise only at knockout stages, as they both would run out of their petrol and would be tired when it comes to mental fatigue. Now, there we have to come back from our back seats and shall lead from the front. This way they would also appreciate our work. Plus, at league stage, when we took back seat and they would run the show, so they would consider it. So we haven't came in between of their plans or their aggressive modes. So when we could step in our aggressive manner, they would also respect it as we respected at their times. So remember this, we need to play with their egos in positive ways, Srinivas. This is what I have gathered by knowing them from past few years. What you say, Srinivas? Well, Madhuri, you have explained what all it is. All doubts of mine are very well covered in it. And I guess this is the only plan that we can work out when it comes to working in pairs with the likes of Ravi and Ekta. They both are champions, and with our careful tactics, we should protect them initially to allow their wrath to wreak havoc at our rivals or competitors. This way they would make our jobs easy. And when at later stages, when they show the signs of mental fatigue, it is that time when we need to step in to protect them and to keep them at improvisation work only. They are master at improvisation, so in a way that would rest their minds for certain periods to bounce back later. Yes, Srinivas, perfect plan this is, and we shall follow this to become reign supreme. Also, one vital point: even if one of us pairs would lose at early stages, we shall help other pairs who have advanced to bigger stages. There too, we shall provide them with vital leads at quiz in middays, or simply we shall try to minimize their mental fatigue. It is much needed service, Srinivas, and we shall help others if they allow us to do. This way, we would definitely find one close bond within all of us, which Sripad sir wants from our side. What everyone wants in the end: one caring hand, one helping hand, to cut down all issues in front of them. That is what we need to do, Srinivas. Yes, Madhuri, very right. So at current situation, our pairs are right. Ravi is okay with you and Ekta is okay with me. There are no issues between us at least. So we shall try to make our partner peaceful every time, to make them think in exact manner like you and Sripad sir said. We need to take back seat and allow them to wreak havoc on our competitors. You shall take care of Ravi, and I would manage Ekta to rule out any mismanagement. We shall break ourselves to guide our duties, plus side by side we shall grasp all proceedings of all subjects. Here we then have to step in when these two fell short, and we shall drive all proceedings with required attacking nature. Fair enough, Madhuri. I guess this strategy would work big time for all of us. अरे ईश्वर, कहाँ था यार तू? कब से ढूंढ रहा हूँ यार तुझको। कहाँ थे? अरे कुछ नहीं, शायद कीर्ति बायो के नोट्स देने वाली थी, इसलिए लाइब्रेरी में रुका था मैं। लेकिन मैडम तो अच्छा खासा आधा घंटा लेट आई, इसलिए वक्त लगा। ये बायो के नोट्स भी कहाँ इजीली मिलते हैं सीनियर्स से। हम्म, सही कहा। और वैसे भी कीर्ति शायद बिजी होगी श्रीनिवास से मिलने में, इसलिए शायद तुम्हें वेट करने को कहा होगा। वो दोनों तो लगे होंगे अपने हसीन सफ़र में, और यहाँ हमारा ईश्वर वेट कर रहा है लाइब्रेरी में। क्यों, सही कहा ना मैंने? बाय द वे ईश्वर, कुमार दिखा कहीं तुम्हें? नहीं यार, कुमार तो सेकंड लेक्चर के बाद दिखाई नहीं दिया मुझे। शायद वो भी किसी सीनियर के साथ बैठा होगा नोट्स के चक्कर में। वैसे कुमार भी अपना ऐसा है, ग्राउंड में ढूंढने से भी नहीं मिलेगा वो। इतना सा तो है वो। मुझे तो हमेशा परेशानी होती है उसे ढूंढने में। लेकिन तेरा क्या काम है कुमार के साथ शाहिद? कौन से नोट्स चाहिए थे तुम्हें उससे? अरे कुछ नहीं रे ईश्वर, लास्ट ईयर के मिड टर्म के एग्ज़ाम पेपर्स वो लाइब्रेरी से कलेक्ट करने वाला था। उसकी एक कॉपी वो मुझे देने वाला था, लेकिन पता नहीं कहाँ गायब हो गया कमीना। कब से ढूंढ रहा हूँ मैं उसे। हाँ होगा कहीं, वो मिल जाएगा। अरे एक बात सुनी क्या तुमने शाहिद? रवि और एकता को सिलेक्ट किया है इस साल के मास्टर्स क्विज में, और उनके साथ साथ माधुरी और वो श्रीनिवास भी है यार। इस बार 2 पेयर्स लिए हैं हमारे क्लास से। लगता है श्रीपाद सर इस साल सबको हराकर मास्टर्स कप जीत के ही दम लेंगे। क्यों, क्या कहते हो तुम शायद इस पर? वेल, कैंडिडेट्स तो बहुत तगड़े हैं ईश्वर। रवि और एकता तो चैंपियंस हैं ही। पिछली बार के फाइनल्स की हार के बाद इस साल देखना, वो अकेले ही मास्टर्स क्विज जीत कर आएंगे। किसी भी पार्टनर की उन्हें ज़रूरत नहीं है इस बार। माधुरी और श्रीनिवास भी अच्छे चॉइस हैं ईश्वर, ऑलराउंडर है दोनों। वो भी अपनी छाप ज़रूर छोड़ेंगे मास्टर्स क्विज पर, देखना। हैप्पी फॉर माधुरी। लेकिन ये पेयर किस किस का बनाया है उन चारों में ईश्वर? कुछ पता चला तुम्हें इस पर? वेल शाहिद, टू आवर बैड लक, रवि और एकता इस बार साथ नहीं होंगे। रवि की पेयरिंग माधुरी के साथ और श्रीनिवास की पेयरिंग एकता के साथ की गई है इस बार। मैंने तो ये भी सुना है कि पेयरिंग की जिम्मेदारी प्रोफेसर ने उन चारों पर ही सीधे सीधे डाल दी थी, क्योंकि बाद में कोई ड्रामा ना हो। और अपने चैंपियन रवि ने तो सीधे सीधे एकता के सामने माधुरी को सिलेक्ट किया अपने लिए। एकता तब से गायब है, आज सुबह भी नहीं दिखी कैंपस में। लगता है बहुत दुख हुआ होगा उसको ये सब अपने आंखों के सामने देखकर। उसका कसूर ही क्या है शाहिद? झगड़े तो हर रिश्ते में होते हैं यार। एकता हमारी फ्लैम्बॉयंट है, इसलिए उसका नेचर अग्रेसिव होना ही है। लेकिन उसको ये सब बर्दाश्त करना पड़े, ये चीज़ खटक रही है मुझे।